The beginning of a new year is a great time to make sure your campaign environment housekeeping is in order. Here are just a couple of tips to help you kick off the year right. Review your user accounts. Navigate to Settings, User Management, and check to see if any of your enabled users are no longer required. You can easily remove their access by clicking the tick box next to their name and clicking Disable. While you're there, unblock any accounts that may have become locked out over the holiday period. Be careful not to disable a user account that is being used for an integration. Organize your contact lists and mailings. If you haven't done so already, now's a good time to set up any new folder requirements for the year ahead and file away all of last year's lists and mailings. Organizing sent mailings into folders will automatically replicate the same structure for reporting. Update your copyright year in any mailings that will carry into the new year, as well as any asset library references. Take extra care during QC processes to make sure any legal terms and conditions you're linking to from mailings have had their dates updated if required. Review any frequently used query criteria to search for issues with dates, particularly queries using operators such as year is equal to or specified date ranges. Review your inactive programs to ensure that only relevant programs have expired at the end of the year. Sort by end date to ensure you don't miss anything. Review your completed cancelled tab in automated messages to ensure nothing has moved to completion that should still be live. We hope these 7 simple tips will help set you up for a great year ahead.